Hello friends, life coach, motivational speaker V.K. Chaudhry will be discussing with you some points how to train your brain. My dear friends, life is very competitive and you will have to take the lead role. For that, you will have to read any book, any good literature. Like I am reading On Leadership by Peter Drucker. So we have to read. I am reading non-fictional books. Today is 56th book which I am reading. Then my dear friends, you write down your ideas, what you can do in your life. As I have worked for 40 years in textiles, I am having so much content in my mind. So there is no advantage of keeping there. We should write down. And I have trained my mind in last 4 years, side hustling, side by side, public speaking in school, college, universities, and then blogging is my passion. YouTube, 2 channels I have made, and I am making podcast also. These all things were new. You can learn anything, my dear friends, and this is possible when you come out of your comfort zone. Your comfort zone is always keeping you slow in your progress. If you want to come in the best version of yourself, you will have to do all these things. Are you having one of your best goal to be fit? To keeping yourself fit, you will have to do exercise daily, yoga daily, running, jogging, playing sports, like I play table tennis regularly. You will have to do all these things. You will have to stick to some morning rituals, some schedules, routine. And my dear friends, when you are working on all these things, remove every distraction. Notifications, distractions give us too many points of changing your mindset. My dear friends, stop social media distractions, everything which I am doing while reading books also. Are you doing meditation regularly? If yes, enjoy it. This is the main tool from where you will get cool, calmness, peaceful and charged up environment. Dear friends, you need not to be angry when you are doing meditation in a true sense. Your soul, your mind, your body all act in the same line. And always give gratitude to Almighty. Surrender yourself in front of Him. He is the creator of this life. He can do anything. And you become what you think after your gratitude practice. My dear friends, life is very good. Make it simple, not complicated. And then you should write your each and every activity so that you can go through and see any moment of time of your life what you are doing at that time. That is called journaling. Even you journal what expenses you are doing today in month, and you can see, reviewing on weekly basis, what are unnecessary, what you can have shifted. So take care of all these things and you will be unstoppable. Love you all. Share this video, like this YouTube channel. Love you all. Thank you very much.